Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add language on your profile in tagged application. So let's get started. Tap and open the tagged application. Press the hamburger menu at the top left. Then this panel is going to come up. Select your displayed profile picture. Now scroll down a little and then select language option. Check on the language that you would like to add on your profile. You can add multiple languages too. And then tap on the update at the bottom of your screen. And this is how you can add language on your profile in tagged application. Thanks for watching Web Solutions. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.